In today's video, we're introducing the BH6T Injected Skin Hair System, now available for pre-order. The BH6T features a smooth skin base with no knots, creating a clean, natural look on the scalp. It is available in two thickness options, making it both soft and highly durable. What makes this system special is the lifted injected hair technique. Compared to flat injected hair, the lifted injection creates better hair direction and natural lift. This design produces an extremely natural hairline and parting, just like hair growing directly from your scalp. BH6T comes with a standard front contour and two density options. In this video, we're demonstrating the 100% density version. From the front, the top, or any angle, the system delivers a 360-degree natural appearance. If you're interested in adding the BH6T to your inventory, feel free to contact our team for pre-order details.